Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to mark all emails as read in Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to mark all emails as read in Gmail, first open up your Gmail app. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, either you will be able to mark all emails as read in Gmail on the primary inbox section, which we are on currently, or you can go to the all mail section by tapping on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen. And when this panel appears, scroll down a little bit and you can see, guys, the all emails button is available for us just below the drafts. Tap on all emails and all of your emails will be available over here. Now, in order to mark all email as read on Gmail, first you'll be required to choose the email which you want to mark all as read. So for example, let's tap and hold on one of the emails which we want to mark as read, and after this appears, guys, you can see the select all button appearing at the top left corner of the screen over here, and you'll be able to select all of the mails on the range of 50. Guys, I have selected 200 in order to show you. So if we go or scroll down below to 200, we'll be able to select up to 250 mails. So let's go down and let's tap on the select all again, and you can see, guys, we will be able to select all the mail in the range or interval of 50. Let's tap on select all, and you can do this up to any number of emails which you want. And after choosing your emails which you want to mark all as read, at the top right corner of the screen just beside the dumpster icon, guys, you can see there is the mark read option available for us. Tap on mark read and it says 300 mark as read at the bottom of the screen. By this way, guys, you will be able to mark all emails as read in Gmail, but you will be only be able to select the mails at the interval of 50 emails, and you can do it up to maybe any number, but it will range from the number of or interval of 50. And with that being done, guys, again tap on the mark as read at the top right corner of the screen, and you will have marked all emails as read in Gmail. And guys, this is how to mark all emails as read in Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.